Yeah, this is my new electric bike, FiiDo D1. I have ordered it on Monday and it arrived on Thursday. Gearbest EU warehouse rules. So it was super easy to assemble, no tools required, basically just removing the packaging and sticking the seat in. And I think they are ready to go. So the beauty of this bike, you can fit it in the trunk, like this. Oh shoot, just kidding. This bike folds and fits any trunk easily. The whole folding unfolding process takes just a few seconds. The bike came with inflated tires, but I'm just adding a little more pressure to keep up with my weight. This bike is incredibly flexible as far as the size goes. I can extend the bike all the way and it fits me perfectly. Even I'm 2 meters or 6.6 feet tall. And I think the maximum weight limit is around 120 kilos too.
Bėgi greičiau. Visokių turi.
And when I say flexible, I mean flexible. You can collapse the size of the bike and now it fits even little kids. Super easy to ride, you don't even need to pedal, just twist the handle and it goes. So using this bike for learning is even easier than a regular bike. And yeah, this is just the first look at the FiiDo D1. I got one for my friend and one for myself, and more orders are coming. It seems like this model gonna be popular this summer. And the beauty is that it's so easy to ride with an electric assist. It can do up to 80 kilometers on one charge, but the most important, this bike fits in the trunk and on a public transport, just like an electric scooter. And you can carry this little bike inside, so no worries about the theft, because you don't even need to leave it on the street. I guess a lot more videos are coming about this bike soon. I think we will take these bikes to ride by the seaside and maybe make some races or something. Leave your ideas in the comments below if you would like to see something in particular. Or if you have more questions about the bike. And hit that like button, subscribe. You can find all product links in the video description below. And thanks for watching and see you in the next one.